Hello Nursing 4150 students. This video will provide you with information on other resources found in the Nursing 4150 course guide that you can use to support your small community analysis. These resources can be found on the Nursing 4150 course guide under the Additional Resources tab. Resources are divided by category, and each of them provides data at either the state, county, or local level. You will need to explore each of these resources to know if the data it contains may be relevant to your topic. Resource categories include industry and business, religious composition, crime statistics, and more. Let's look closer at resources in these categories to see what we can find. We will start with the Reference USA Business Database in the Industry and Business section. This database allows you to search for business data on businesses within a particular city or state, and it will also retrieve information on business executives and organizational structures. Under U.S. businesses on the database homepage, we can click Search and begin typing a business. You could also search for all businesses in a specific city, search by phone number, or even search by an individual person. Let's see how many businesses located in Clemson, South Carolina we can learn about. There are a lot of businesses in Clemson, and you can see information on who owns the particular business, the address, and even the corporate tree. To view more information about a business, simply check the box next to the name and click on Details at the top of the page. This is just one of the databases you can use to find business information. Going back to the course guide, you can see resources relating to county business and government information, and even a database for the Census of Agriculture, which has data on agriculture activity by state in the United States. The course guide also provides you with links to databases that have religious composition data. For example, Churches of South Carolina allows you to search individual cities in the state to learn more about religious institutions within them. For example, if I click on Clemson, I am taken to a page that organizes institutions by religious denomination and then links out to their individual websites. One last resource that may be of interest is Area Overviews with Crime Statistics. This is a resource through HomeFacts, and it allows you to search by city, zip code, county, or address. If you type in Clemson, you can see a broad overview of information relating to crime rate, unemployment, and registered offenders. You can also find information on the average rent and property value within your community, and even information on natural disasters. These are just some of the resources that you can find on this page, and you will need to explore each one individually to know if it will help you with your project. At the bottom of the page, we have resources specific to South Carolina communities. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please reach out to a librarian. Good luck on your projects!